Hi, I'm Carrie Sharp. I am the founder of RD Bootcamp, and I'm here to answer the question, what is RD Bootcamp? What does it look like inside? So here's what the membership looks like. Once you log in, you have access to a membership dashboard where you have the interactive RD exam prep course, which I'll walk you through in just a minute, extra videos, flashcards, tons of practice quizzes and exams, all digital, a bank of on-demand classes, which are all included in the annual membership. If you purchase the 1 month or 3 month, you can purchase the on-demand classes as you want. The classes are deep dives into topics, so different topics that you want to learn. We have a weekly live class that any membership, no matter which one you sign up for, you're welcome to attend every week. Students get a lot out of that class. We do test taking strategies. We have tutoring, and we have a really fun podcast where you just click here and listen away. It's great when you're driving to your internship. When you click on membership dashboard, this is what you have access. Your interactive self-study course starts here. And we have flashcards and a whole bunch of extra quizzes, like I mentioned. And even our flashcards are really visually appealing and fun to do. When you click on your interactive self-study course, you have access to tons of units of information. And we recommend doing them in order, but you don't have to. You can bounce around to whatever topics you want to do. We have a whole video walking you through test taking strategies. We have a practice exam at the beginning, practice exam at the end, quizzes throughout. So you'll do a topic and there's quizzes everywhere. We have tons and tons and tons of modules and units on topics you need to know. Disease states, food service, labs, everything you need to know for your RD exam. Medications, a lot of them are videos. So you'll have videos that are walkthrough math videos, and we do step by step, and we put you in real life situations so you actually understand what meals per labor hour even means, or minutes per meal, TPN, EN, all of that. We do walkthrough videos. So for example, we'll go down to Disher. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what our videos look like. So we have animated videos and we have instructor-led class videos. This one is one of our animated videos. So I'll kind of scroll through a little bit at the bottom here, and it explains what a disher or scoop size is and how to do the calculations and why you do the calculations. So when it pops up on your exam, you have a full understanding of how to do it. Then we have a key items to remember. Not all units have videos, but a lot of them do. All of them have these key items to remember, so you can read the information that you need to know. Some of them have charts of information, and some have really fun visual graphics to help you understand the information as well. We hope you will sign up, and happy studying.